Everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add employee to ADP Payroll. This is just an easy guide, so make sure to stick till the end so you know how to do this. So first step is start the new hire wizard. So log into ADP Workforce now, then go to the people and tap on add new hire. So after that, just enter the employee's name, SSN, DOB, and hire date. So double check the SSN. So fixing it later requires a full tax record correction. So make sure that you put there the right SSN. Next step is enter the position and pay. So pick a job title, department, manager, pay rate, and the pay frequency. After that, just confirm exempt or non-exempt status. Next step is go ahead and fill out the tax withholding W-4. So enter the federal filing status, state, dependents, and any extra withholding from a new W-4 form. Next is go ahead and enroll the benefits. So check the boxes for medical, dental, vision, 401k, then set the effective date matching your plan rules. So most plan need a 30-day waiting period. So pick the first of the month after that to stay compliant. Lastly is review and activate. So review the summary, click the submit, and then the new hire is added with an employee ID and ready for the next payroll run. So just a tip, run a quick preview payroll for just this employee to catch any tax setup errors before live processing. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!